a lot of companies talk about inclusion and diversity and equity from a women's point of view, from that, it makes, if you have a more diverse group, you get better returns, you get better ROI and your businesses grow. I get that, but for me, it's not necessarily about the numbers. It's doing the right thing and making sure we're getting the best out of everybody. I've never been an activist, wasn't an activist at uni or never championed a cause, so to speak. I was originally invited into the European Women's Network. Somebody brought me in and said, I think you could add some value. I think you would find it interesting and insightful. And then, of course, once you're in and you find out what's going on, it's like, that opened my eyes. Just the way the world works differently for us. Also, some of the things that the men will pick up and learn, they take back to their homes. They've got daughters, they've got wives. They're probably hearing their wives frustrated about their jobs because they're not getting the promotion or the opportunities to do something new. So it helps. It just helps always round. I've been with the company now just short of 10 years, working out what's the new methodologies to use for marketing, and then tapping into that brilliant IDEX network of other marketeers who share the same thoughts and feelings and challenges. So in marketing, we have the InBalance the other way around. We're very female. We have one guy in our team, and within finance and HR, it's often very female biased. But then we look out into the factory, into the operations parts of our businesses, and it's engineering based. So, you look down onto the factory floor and there's maybe one or two. It's not like a quota or we're giving everyone a head start or anything like that. It's just giving them a fair chance, no matter whether you're office based, factory based, you're a senior manager or on the factory floor. And that's what we're trying to reach out to, is helping everyone to, as we say in IDEX, bringing your best selves to work. For me, that's the great thing about IDEX, is it's not just lip service to D&I. There's an active support of what we're trying to do. It comes from the top. I'm Kathryn Perry, the Marketing Director for IDEX MPT Material Processing Technologies Group.